What's the easiest way to trade Forex in 2024? In this video, I'm going to do a complete breakdown of how profitable traders approach the market, and then how you can also take advantage of these little tips and tricks to also improve your trading and fast track your journey into becoming a profitable trader. So without saying much, let's get right into the chart.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains.
First of all, when you open your trading view, you are going to be faced with a chart like this. But then one thing you always have to know is that you need to take into consideration of the time frame. Okay, so always make sure that when you open your chart, you are starting from a higher time frame. So in which case we are using the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, we have, daily, weekly, monthly. You can choose whichever one, because all of them can give you a different insight into the market. But then the daily is what we are going to be working with most of the time. So now when you open your chart, always start from the daily time frame. So now this is Euro USD. What can we see? Let me teach you what market structure is. So as we can see here, let's start from somewhere here so that we can have a better understanding of the chart. So market structure is, I don't use the traditional support and resistance support and resistance way of trading, but this is how I trade. So when I come to the chart, I want to determine which direction the market is going. So from here we can see that the market has been in a downtrend, making lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower almost the same high, but then lower low. It just keeps breaking new lows. So if I was to be trading around this area, I'll know that the market is in a downtrend. So I'll be going into my charts looking for sales. Do you understand? But in this case, when we got here, right, market failed to make another lower low. Market made a lower high, but then it didn't make a lower low over here, and went on to make another higher high, higher low. So now market structure has shifted. Okay, so we can bring our trend line just to mark it up like this shift in market structure. Okay, because market has failed to make a lower low, now it has changed its direction, making higher highs. Now higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It just keeps going, right? Keeps going. So right now we have determined that now market is in an uptrend, even though when we see from here to here, we can see that market has kind of broken these lows. Okay, but then to me all these are just liquidity, because for example, let me put it, okay, this just looks like liquidity to me. And what is liquidity? Liquidity is where the market just assumes that people's stop loss have been placed. Because if the market is making higher highs and then you look at this, people will think, okay, market is going up, let me put my stop loss over here. Do you see? Market came over here, keeps going high, oh, let me trail my stop loss over here. Market keeps going, oh, let me trail my stop loss over here. Obviously people are going to be putting their stop losses over here. Do you understand? If you don't know what stop loss is just where the market will invalidate your trade. That's where you want to quit taking loss. I don't know, but then that will be another video for another day if you don't understand. So people will place their stop losses over here, over here, over here. Okay, see how it came all the way over here, and it has cleared people who put their stop loss over here, people who put their stop loss over here. This is why even lucky, but maybe the market might not want to reach down all the way over here, so maybe here is okay. And then also to when you take your fib, this is actually a new chart. I don't have my item set up, but then let me just see if I can use my fib. If you take your fib and you place it from here all the way to this place, you can see that market just came right close to the 50% of the whole stretch. You see, 0.5, that's 50%. This zone over here, Can you see? So this is enough for the market to stop and turn and keep going in this direction. So now we are still holding our position that the market is in an uptrend. So now we can see it start making new highs. So obviously right now that the market is here, where else do you think the market will be going to? The market will be going here. Do you understand? So now that we've established that the market, let me just use this trend line. Okay. Now that we've established that the market will be going up, this is our next target. So we have to move with the market. We don't have to do anything else other than what the market is doing. So this is our next target. So now this is the daily chart. Okay, so what we are going to do now is drop down into a lower time frame so that we can see what the market is doing and we can participate in order for us to be able to ride the move up to this target. So now let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. This is the procedure I'm teaching you. So you move from the daily to the 4-hour. Now the 4-hour is going to show you something else. So now you can see this is a very strong uptrend. Can you see? Higher highs, higher low. See, this low is not lower than this. This one is not lower than this, and this one is obviously not going to be lower than this. So now the market is in a new low over here, or maybe we can even see that this is a very good example of liquidity. People who put their stop losses over here and were chasing this move, see, the market came here and just came right close to this low, but then it didn't get closer. It didn't even take out this low, right? It made a high over here, and then look what it did. Bang! It just pinned inside the low small. So people who stop loss is over here, they've been taken out by this candle. Do you understand? And now the market has actually broken this low and is, preparing its way to go up. So now this one shows us a clear example of what market has already done and where market is about to be headed to. But then if you want a clearer view, you can drop down to the 1-hour time frame to see what is going on. Now in the 1-hour time frame, in the 1-hour time frame, we can see this move very clearly, that the market has tapped into this low, taking out this one, and now has broken this market structure and is on its way to go up. So now this is actually a weekend, so the markets are closed. But if the markets were open, like, what would we do? So before we enter a trade, we have to make sure that first of all our timing is right. What is the timing? The timing is either we are trading in Asian, London, or New York, right? But then since we are trading Euro USD is a cross pair of what? The European pair and then the USD. So this particular market moves very, very much during London and then US session. So we can't be trading this pair during Asian session. Asian session is very slow and choppy. So we wait. London session normally starts from, right now we are using our time zone is UTC, that's Ghana man time. So we can just say we are using from 7:30 to 11:30 in the morning. So we can put our line waiting for 7:30 or let's say even 8 a.m. in order for us to take our position. So this is what, so this is for, okay, so this is Monday 8 a.m. like this. So now we've put our line over here and we are waiting to see what market would have done by the time it will get here. And then you'll be surprised to see that by the time it is 8 a.m. in the morning, you see the market has created an opportunity for you to join and ride the move up over here. Okay, but just for reference sake, we can just take maybe our long button, because I'm very bullish on this. but it's a weekend and I cannot really take a valid position. But this is just hypothetical. So if I was supposed to take a trade right now, and assuming it was Monday, I might just put my entry over here and my stop loss over here. Why will my stop loss be over here? Because if you look at this low and you look at this low, they are equal lows. And then what does equal lows mean in trading forex? It means liquidity, because somebody will see this low and somebody will see this and say, oh, this is a very strong support. That is why I said I don't use support and resistance, because support and resistance is just, let me just grab this and let me put it here so that you can see. Okay, so somebody might see this and say, oh, this is a very strong support because it supported this and market came in and it supported it, and even market is even going up. So let me do what? Let me put my entry here, my stop loss over here, and we'll put your stop loss over here and look at what the markets did. It didn't even reach you. It just a small little candle, ping, and it's gone. So now this gives me the opportunity to put my stop loss below this candle, because I don't believe that market is going to come back to this place. Do you understand? So let me put it here like this and then place it here, and then our target here. But to be realistic, I cannot guarantee that the market is going to go here straight up and never return. So to be on the safer side, maybe my first take profit will be here. Do you understand? My second take profit will be here, and then my third take profit will be here. Do you get? And then once the market gives you your what you want, you take your position. If you've made money, you take your money, you sit down and wait for the market to do something else before you can participate. Me, I'm a day trader, I'm not a swinger, so I don't hold positions for long. So yes, this is a very, very simple breakdown of the market. And then if you want to know where next the market will be going, you just come back to your higher time frame, because we are working with higher time frame. And then you can see if market makes it up over here, where will be the next place that market is likely to go. Which is here. Do you understand? And if market keeps going, the next place is here. Do you see? So you see how the higher time frame works down. We work down from the higher time frame all the way to the 1 hour, and then if you like, you can even drop down to the 15 minutes. There's nothing wrong with it. You can even drop down to 15 minutes just to have a clear view of what market is doing. Do you see? You can drop down and then have a clear view of what market is doing. So now this is all that I have with regards to how I trade, how I approach the market, and also to one more thing. This is a bonus, and this is for all those who have been watching till this part of the video. If you are new and then you have your charts, first of all, let me take away all these drawings. No, let me leave them, but let me take this one away, and let me leave it here so that you can see when it is 8 o'clock on Monday. Let's see what markets does. Markets can do anything, but I mean, this is what I believe market is going to do. So let's just leave it here and see what market does. But however, I don't like small time frame, or it makes the charts too small. I want to see nice candles like this. So if you want to be able to see your charts in a daily demarcation, so that you don't worry yourself to know when was Monday's trading, when was Tuesday's trading, when was Wednesday's trading, all you have to do is come to your chart settings, come to events, and when you come to events, just come to session breaks and you click on it. Let me change the color to black since the canvas is white. Okay, and then once you are done, click OK. And then this is going to show you each day or each week's trading. So you can see here, This is what, Monday, Tuesday, this Wednesday, Thursday, and this was last Friday. Today is Saturday, so that's why you've not seen any demarcations. But then once Monday begins, another line will come here and you can see the trading for each day. So yes, this is a small bonus, an Easter egg for you guys that have been watching till this part. And then thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you had any insights. If you did, kindly leave a like, a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys later. Bye.